Welcome back to our channel. And we're the Chery sisters. Today we will create Kool-Aid Playdough with our cousin Cheyenne.
Hey guys! For this recipe you'll need 1½ cup of flour, 1½ teaspoon of cream of tartar, 1½ cup of salt, 1 packet of Kool-Aid, 1½ teaspoons of vegetable oil. Do not use olive oil because it won't maintain the color of the Kool-Aid. And 1½ cup of water.
In a bowl, mix all your dry ingredients. The flour, cream of tartar, salt, Kool-Aid powder.
Make a little well in the middle of the bowl so you can pour your oil and your water in it.
It's really hot. So that's how you get the color.
Yeah, you put water on
I
it.
can want to see if it's actually purple, Mom. It smells yucky, but it tastes. Mine smells good.
Yeah, it smells nasty because there's tons of salt in it.
Yeah,
Mine looks like baby formula.
This is hard to mix. I know, it's real dough. Yeah. Mine looks like poop. When you mix it, it looks like poop. I know, it feels like you're mixing poop. If the Play-Doh feels really gooey, add some flour.
When it gets kneadable and less sticky, put it on the table so you can knead it more.
This smells really good. Yeah, it does.
Mine smells like lemonade.
Mine smells like grape. Mine smells like pink lemonade.
Beating it. When you're done playing with it, put it in a Ziploc bag to preserve it.
Even though it's edible and it smells good, don't eat it. It's disgusting. Why you eat it? I wanted to taste it. It really tastes like orange dough. Yeah.
Thank you guys so much for having me. It was so much fun.
Thank you for making the Play-Doh with us. Remember to like and subscribe if you want to see more. Bye! Welcome back to our channel, and we're the Chery sisters.
recipe, you'll need 1.5 cup of flour, 1.5 tablespoons. No, not tablespoons.
How long do you have your nails? I don't even have. Mama, the lemon ones. Mama, the 2 lemon ones are the sourest for me. You know that lemon reaction?
Oh, it's a lot of salt.
I'm trying the grape.
Orange.
I'm trying the grape. These 2 are the lemon reactions. Yeah.
Like and subscribe.
Like and subscribe.